Use your insect lure butterfly habitat again and again. It's durable and easy to clean. Now that your painted lady butterflies have been released to pollinate the great outdoors, it's time for the cleanup. Your habitat will be a little stained with sticky nectar and dots of red meconium. Remember, meconium is very natural and is expelled by the butterfly when she emerges from the chrysalis. Meconium is the leftover material not needed by the butterfly to complete metamorphosis. To clean your habitat, fill your sink with warm water and add a drop of mild dishwashing detergent. Swish the habitat back and forth in the soapy water, then rinse thoroughly. Finally, hang the habitat to dry. It's that simple. Now your butterfly garden habitat is ready for more butterfly friends. It's collapsible for easy storage. When you're ready to raise more beneficial pollinators, visit insectlore.com to order your cup of caterpillars.